Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti, and we're going to do a memory decks card. So let's go ahead and get ourselves out a blank card here to go ahead and make a new one. So if you saw my unboxing with these scissors, you will have seen that I got these in a piece of cardboard. So I'm going to take out that piece of cardboard, and I'm going to take out some Dollar Tree stickers, and we are going to make a beautiful piece. What do you think? So I'm going to go right about there. And these really are so pretty. And then I don't want that to be an off color, although it does match fairly well with that. So maybe instead of making that an off color, I'm going to make this an off color. That sounds good. So I'm just going to get a piece of white back there. And I will get one of my little blending brushes. And let's go with the pale papaya on here. And we're just gonna darken this up a little bit here and there so that it's not just white. And I'll do the bottom down here as well, because we know that that bottom is going to be covered up, right? Or not covered up, that will be showing. So let's go ahead and do that. I love this. So we really took away that white there. And then here came Stanley. It is his birthday today. He is 9 years old. So, my little poochie. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get that guy. I'm gonna get this one. I'm gonna put that right down on here. I love using the glue because it gives me time to move stuff around. And if I have any, I just clean it off with another piece of paper there. I also have the Dollar Tree stickers, so we're going to go ahead and open that. I love these stickers. I didn't know if I wanted to save it for a plan with me, but it just goes so well. And when I saw this rose and that rose, I'm like, okay, they're going to go well together. So let's go ahead. We'll put one right here. I'm looking to see where that goes, so I could cut just a little bit off of this edge here. There we go. So pretty. I'll take this little guy. Oh, I don't want to cover up those roses. It's just too pretty, right? So I think what we'll do, I'm going to get into my bag of tricks over here and see if we have any beauties that might work well. Maybe some of these little guys. Oh, that one's nice. And we'll see. Pretty. Move this over here. There we go. That is very pretty. And I'm just going to look through here. See if I have any of these real pretty ones too. But I'm looking for something. Oh, that one's kind of pretty. This one looks nice. Oh, that might have been the one that just jumped out at us, right? Let's see. Yep, that's what happened. And for this one, I am going to tear it. Nope, it is too strong to tear. But I will save it because this one is just beautiful. So there we go. We have something for later, just like this. But now I'm looking at this and I'm thinking that this one could go really well. So pretty. I love it. All right, so I think we are safe. I'm going to get some bigger scissors here. I love it. Something about this is just so calming, right? So pretty. And then I got that. I've got this piece stuck to me. go. Look how gorgeous that is. Beautiful. All right, I definitely want to use this rose here. And I think this piece is really cute. I love it all, but I know I can't use it all. I think what I will do is I'll bring this one here. So pretty. And then I'm going to come over here with some of these lovelies. So pretty. And then I'm going to do the same thing but up here and in a little bit littler stickers. So pretty. I'm gonna look for one more thing, and that's gonna be for a little bit of maybe a face or something to go down in that corner, but very tiny, very small, like that would be nice. And I want it to be beautiful. Oh, that's pretty, but too big. Oh, here we go. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's a man and a woman. Actually, it's a man and a little girl. See how pretty that looks. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. Actually, I think I'm gonna use some of my, well, I thought I was gonna use some of my seal, but I don't see it anywhere. Oh, here it is. lift this guy up just a little bit here. This little sticker here. There we go. Oh, that's beautiful. It is beautiful. I'm going to take this. I'm going to do that. And there we go. Isn't that beautiful? And we've got another one to put in here. So pretty. So there we go. I hope you like it. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you follow and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And I will talk to you later. Bye.